Hey friends, it is time for another Temu haul. This one will be probably pretty quick. It is a home decor haul. It's a lot of pillow covers, which I'm going to show you. The pillow covers from Temu are wonderful. And just a couple other little things sprinkled here and there. So we're going to get down to it. I'm going to show you the items. I'm going to tell you the prices. And that's about it. As I said, it should be pretty short. So the first item was $3.74. So the point of this haul was I needed a couple more pillow covers for the winter season. And then I decided to get some spring ones as well because I will need them after I put away the winter decorations. But I also needed just a couple more wintry kind of decor items, and Temu is the perfect place because they're so affordable. So $3.74 for this first item, and it's a little tree. Okay, so here it is. It's really pretty. It's made out of wood, and as you can see, it has the glittery gold, which I just love, and then this sort of like tree bark looking base. Now, you might think this is Christmassy. To me, this is just wintry. It doesn't have any red or green or anything like that. And I have a spot that's empty on my fireplace where I need something, but also I was thinking this might look really nice in my kitchen because my kitchen has gold hardware, and I love that the gold is actually really glittery and sparkly, and it's a small little tree, and I think it's just gonna look super cute anywhere. Might even put it in my bathroom. I don't know for sure yet. If I put this somewhere and I find a spot for it, maybe I'll pop in a screenshot right here, but for $3.74, it's good. I'm just noticing it does have damage right here. That actually doesn't really bother me because I could just put that to the back and then you won't even know. But yeah, we all know Temu shipping is not the best. So sometimes things get damaged, but this one, not a big deal to me. All right, so this next item was $2.86, and already it's kind of looking not like I expected it. So if I can, I'm gonna pop in a screenshot here. This looked really pretty in the picture. I have it over here. I'm just looking. Basically, it's just a little snowflake sign. It actually says it's iron. This is not iron. This is like plastic or acrylic. Yeah, it's like acrylic. I mean, it still is pretty, but it is not iron. Maybe they mean iron look. I thought this would be nice to hang in a window or something for winter. It does look like a snowflake. It also kind of looks like a flower. So, either way. And when the sun catches this, it will probably be really pretty. It says to take off the protective film. So let's see if I could do that really quick. And there we go. So it's pretty. It's not quite what I expected. It does include a string for hanging, which the string, no. I'll probably just use some fishing line or something to keep it sort of invisible. I do still think it's pretty. It's just not what I expected. It's 8 by 8, so it's a decent size. And for under $3, I still think it's a win, even though it's not quite what I expected. There is a little hole there at the top where you can hang it. And so, yeah, I still think it's pretty. Okay, I totally just lied to you. So this actually is a sun catcher. I was wrong. I was looking at the wrong item in my order. This was $4.09, and this is exactly what it says it is, a sun catcher. Still 8 by 8. Okay, so that makes a lot more sense now. So this is a sun catcher, which, as I said, the sun coming through will be really pretty. And so that makes me feel much better. All right, next item, we have a table runner here. And this is going to be like my spring, maybe even summertime table runner. So if you've seen my decor in the house, I sort of like a boho kind of botanical vibe. So this table runner was $5.28, and it says it's 72 inches long, and It's really pretty. It's excellent quality. And it does have the fringe or the tassels at each end. And you could see the fabric. It's very, very pretty, very good quality. And so my ring is stuck on it. That is just gonna go over my table. Again, once I'm finished with winter, this is going to be my spring decor, or even just like everyday decor. And the green is like an olive, darker kind of green that will go, I think, really nice with my cabinets. Okay, so I think this is the iron decoration. Again, $2.86. And it definitely feels like metal. And once again, not quite what I expected. So here it is. It's still pretty. I will still use it. It's just, it looked 3D in the picture, which I should know better. Things are definitely deceiving on Temu, especially when things look three-dimensional. It's not. It's completely flat. But it still will probably be nice to put on my counter as like a little backdrop or something like that. So it might be a return. I might use it if I return it and they tell me I could keep it, I'll use it, but not what I expected. So yeah. And then there is a hole you can see here on each side if you want to hang it or whatever. So that's that. Okay, so next are the throw pillow covers. So as I said, I like to decorate for winter. After I take all the Christmas decor down, I like to have wintry decorations. And currently I have these furry pillow covers. These are from Temu. And then these are also from Temu. And as you can see, they're both gold. But my decor that I have here on the other side in my living room is all really silvery. So I wanted to grab some silver winter covers as well. I do have 2 extra pillows that I forgot to buy covers for originally. So I bought 2 more throw pillow covers. So these were $3.98 only for 2 of them, which even for Temu is pretty cheap. But I wanted to go with the silver to tie in the silver decorations there. And these are as expected. They do have a zipper. The only thing is they are a little bit smaller than my pillows. So I'm going to have to see if I can make them work. But the reason I went with these is because, well, A, I was having a hard time finding silver snowflakes, and B, they were $4 for 2. So I figured I would try them out. But yeah, they're faux fur. They are double-sided, which is nice. And I'm thinking that I can probably fit the Temu pillow inserts in here, which are not as thick and fluffy. So if I have to like kind of scrunch them down, I think that's what I'll do. I may go ahead and put in a picture here if I have them put together, you know, by the time I edit this video. But again, they are exactly as expected, and all of the Temu pillow covers that I have ever gotten have been wonderful. You know, they've held up, not that I've really fight with my pillows or anything, but they've all held up nicely, and so, you know, that is definitely my go-to for pillow covers. So after winter, as I said, I like to decorate for spring. And so I also grabbed my spring throw pillow covers. So there's a couple different kinds in here. So the first one is this was $9.01 for 2. And again, these are going to be for spring. And like I said, I like a boho kind of botanical vibe. And so I just thought these were really pretty. And actually, these are super soft, like super soft. So I went with these, and I just love the texture and the design on them. I think they're really pretty. The color is beige. I want to say they came in different colors, but I'm not positive. And I mean, these are just so soft. The back is like a velvety kind of feel, so it's only one-sided, but these are really, really, really nice. Highly recommend these. There's a zipper once again, And these are a big size, 20 by 20, which is actually the size that I need. So I think these are gonna work perfectly. So that's the first set. I got 3 different sets because I have like 6 pillows. So that's the first set. The second set is this green set, and this was $9.48 for 2. And I will say, I did think the design on this was a little bit smaller, and I'll show you what I mean in a second. So here it is. I like the design. I like how it's asymmetrical, I guess you'd say. It is soft. It's not nearly as soft as the previous ones, but they are nice and soft. It's double-sided, but this side doesn't have a design, which actually is kind of nice. You could, I'm doing a terrible job. You could, you know, flip it around if you wanted to. Just have like the stripes. These are just creases, so those aren't damaged or anything, in case you're wondering. But I thought that the ribbing or the width of the stripes was going to be thinner, which is what I would have preferred, but these are still really nice. They're going to go, I think, really well together. And I won't have these out to show you them all together, you know, by the time I edit this video, because these are for spring, but maybe later on I can pop in a picture couple months down the road. All right, and then the last set of pillow covers. So these were $4.74 for 1, so I went and got 2 of them. And these were a little bit more expensive, and you'll see why, because these have a definite boho vibe. They have the little tassels on them, so here they are. So it's a burlap looking top. And then you have the fringe or the tassels, and then it's just like a cream, almost like a canvasy sort of fabric below that. Now this will need some ironing or steaming, and the fringes will have to, you know, fall out, but I think these are super cute. Definitely like a boho vibe, like I said. And if you just look at all 3 of these together, I think they're gonna look very, very nice. This is, you're not gonna get a feel for this at all. But there you go. That's about the best I could do. So those are gonna be my spring pillow covers, which I am ready for spring. I'm done with the cold. Done with it already. And it's January 7th. So, okay, I have 2 more items and then we're done. So the next item actually came spilled out of the bag, and they're just little refrigerator magnets. I got these just to have extra magnets on the fridge to hang little pictures or whatever. And they did come in a bag, but the bag is split open. So they all kind of fell in the bag. And these were $1.39 for 10, and they're just very simple round refrigerator magnets. And then they have the magnet on the back. They feel nice. They kind of feel soft, I guess you'd say. And they are like a matte sort of texture. I could tell you right now, they're not going to be the strongest magnet. So you'll have to use 2 or 3 of these per picture that you hang, but they came in a bunch of different colors. You have a blue, sort of a peach color, a green, brown, pink, a purple, a yellow. So yeah. So that was just a little throw in. I thought I'd get those for the fridge. And then last but not least is the item I'm most curious about in this haul. So this was a $12.01. It did come in a box, and I wasn't searching for this. I just saw it and really liked it and figured I would order it. And it is a wreath. And let's see. It does have a couple of the berries fell off in the box here, but it's just a very, very simple wreath. And I thought this would be super pretty for winter. Now these will need to be kind of fluffed out. You could see already it's looking much better once you bend these out, and this will also make it look larger as well. Some of these berries are falling off as I'm fluffing it. But overall, I think this is really nice. And again, I'm gonna hang this right over my fireplace. I do have a wreath there now, but the berries are red, and so, I don't know, to me, it's a little bit more Christmassy. I don't have any other red over there really, so it kind of doesn't match. So I'm gonna hang this, and then I will try to get a photo and put it in here. But I'm definitely, for $12, I mean, I'm definitely happy with this now. Berries are still falling off, that's the only thing, so I'll have to be super careful with it because by the time this gets put away, all of the berries might be off of it. But yeah, I do think it's pretty, and I think it will look really, really nice over there by the fireplace. Okay, that is it, my friends. A short and sweet one today. If you have any questions, let me know below. I will go ahead and try to link all of these items for you. Sometimes items are discontinued or sold out and then I can't link them. But if there are any items that you are interested in, you want to take a closer look at or purchase, and the link is not below, just leave a comment and let me know and I'll try to locate the link for you. That is it. So what was your favorite item from the haul? Let me know. And are you picking up any of these items, or have you picked anything else up from Temu lately? I want to know also. Okay, that is it. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end of the video. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.